Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a feature that was announced last year and has rolled out on Windows Server 2025, and as not we didn't think it had shown up on consumer Windows 11, but it did, and it is not something advertised. It is off by default. So when you have a NVMe, so let's go here. So if your SSD is an NVMe type SSD and compatible, there's a boost mode that is called Native NVme support that Microsoft has pushed to Windows. And this actually boosts performance of your solid state drive in some cases by a tremendous amount, especially at random reads and writes. So Microsoft explains that what they have done actually is that forever, Windows always treated the storage devices as SCSI devices, which was the standard of rotating platter hard drives for a long time. And even when we moved on, there was SCSI interfaces, but when we moved on to the IDE hard drive and then the SATA hard drive and all of that, there was still a conversion done, and everything was still treated as SCSI in the background within Windows. So Native NVMe removes that and updates the way that my Windows actually treats the hard drive, and it gives a huge performance boost on some SSD drives. Now, this was actually hidden, and of course, users have enabled it, seeing that it was available for everybody in Windows 11. But Microsoft has now blocked it, and a lot of users are saying, why is Microsoft doing that? Well, it turns out that this is a experimental, still untested feature. And Microsoft has blocked it because it deems, especially with storage, like SSD storage, that before they will actually push it forward, they need to test it properly. So it will probably eventually come to every Windows 11 user, but it needs to be properly tested and properly done before Microsoft gives the okay to do it. Now, some users have found that there are ways with ViveTool, for example, to enable it. But at least, something's going to come out at some point where the speeds of the SSD drive are going to be improved thanks to this new native NVMe feature. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.